What if you could market to your customers on a brand new platform that's gaining 150,000 new users every single week? What if you could beat your competition to this new platform? I'm Jeremy Freitas with R.C. Brayshaw & Company, and today I'm here to talk to you about Informed Delivery from the United States Postal Service. Okay, so let's get right down to it. What is Informed Delivery? Informed Delivery is a brand new program just launched by the United States Postal Service. It's an optional notification service that emails residential customers and shows them what's arriving in their mailbox that day. What does that mean? That means that anything that shows up in your mailbox gets scanned, whether it's a statement, a letter, a postcard, a package, and it says, hey, this is what's coming into your mailbox today. They get a black and white image via email. If multiple people in a home are signed up, they'll all receive the notification. And if you're a savvy marketer and you know how to leverage partnerships with R.C. Brayshaw and companies like ours, Informed Delivery turns direct mail pieces into multi-channel marketing pieces by allowing you to reach customers digitally. It increases impressions, frequency, reach, response rates, and ROI. We can then deliver an image showing your statement, your call to action, and a live clickable link to go to your landing page. About 10% of the US population is currently registered for Informed Delivery, and it's already got about 32 million subscribers. But only 900 campaigns are currently running across the entire United States. That's incredibly low, 900 campaigns. Think about that for a minute. Savvy marketers know that direct mail has almost a 9% response rate compared to 1% for email and other online channels. They also know that the ROI typically 15 to 17% with direct mail. That's only going to be enhanced with the addition of Informed Delivery. The United States Postal Service is going high tech with Informed Delivery. And direct mail with Informed Delivery is going to be the new go-to channel in 2021. The playing field is wide open. The only question now is, are you going to beat your competition to this new marketplace? Contact us today to enhance the results of your next mailing with Informed Delivery.